Meaning of introversion.
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 Introversion. Introversion is a personality trait characterized by a preference for solitude, quiet environments, and reflection. Introverts tend to be more inwardly focused and recharge their energy by spending time alone. They may also be more sensitive to external stimuli such as loud noises or bright lights. Introversion is often contrasted with extroversion, which is a personality trait characterized by sociability, outgoingness, and a preference for stimulation from one's external environment. It's important to note that introversion and extroversion exist on a spectrum, and many people exhibit traits of both.